Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 419 Victor Road in Fairport.
This is a stunning colonial updated to perfection on a private 1-acre setting.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is the open living lifestyle you've been looking for. Featuring a great room with a designer kitchen with beautiful Dura Supreme cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and an expansive center island breakfast bar with a butcher block countertop. A spacious dining area with great natural light, and a living area with crown molding, all with beautiful hardwood floors and deck access. The first floor also features a spacious dining room with Brazilian cherry floors, leading to a formal living room with a picture window and a gorgeous fireplace, plus an adjacent entryway and powder room. While the finished lower level provides great additional living space with a bonus room with a custom bar, plus a laundry room, all with tile floors.
The second floor features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 updated bathrooms, including this wonderful owner suite with a beautiful full bathroom and a cathedral ceiling bedroom with dual walk-in closets and wooded nature views.
Enjoy privacy and scenic views from this expansive deck, overlooking the acre lot and beautiful countryside. Conveniently located near the villages of Victor and Fairport.
Here we are in the village of Fairport, a great place to live.
It has great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 419 Victor Road in Fairport.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!